How to check your PC or laptop specification on Windows. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So do you want to find out what kind of processor, graphics card or how much RAM your computer has? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 4 easy ways to check your PC or laptop specs. So watch the video until the end to learn all the steps. And without further ado, let's get started. So method 1 is to use settings. So start by clicking the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen and simply select settings icon. And once the settings window is open, simply click on system and then navigate to the about option on the left hand side. And here you will find key information about your device such as the device name, processor, installed RAM and system type. For example, I have 8 GB of RAM and you will also see your Windows specifications like the edition, version and installation date. Additionally, you can also rename your PC if you want to rename it. And with this, let's head to the method 2, that is to use system information. So for more detailed specification, you simply have to go to the search bar at the bottom left corner of your screen and simply type system information. Open the app and a window will appear with comprehensive details about your device. And you will find information such as the system model, manufacturer and much more. And on the left hand side, you can expand different categories. For example, under components, you can check the display section to find your graphics card. My system has the AMD Radeon. Similarly, under storage, you can view details about your drives, including their sizes and available space. And now, moving forward to the method 3, that is to use command prompt. Now, another way to check your PC specs is by using the command prompt. So open the search bar and in the search bar, simply type command prompt and select the app, and once it's opened, simply type systeminfo.x, and once you've done that, simply press enter. And this will display details about your computer such as total physical memory, available memory, system manufacturer and original install date and much more. And with this, let's head to the last method, that is to use task manager. So the final method is to do by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete simultaneously and select the task manager. And once it opens, simply go to the performance tab. And here you will find real-time information about your CPU, including usage, speed and other details. You can also view similar information for your RAM, disk and other components. The graphs provide a live view of your system performance. And with this, that's how you can check your PC and laptop specification in 4 different ways. If this video helped you out, then feel free to leave a comment below and subscribe the channel for more useful guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.